and welcome to Unique Academy. Since you know that CBSE has given us a detailed list and notification about topics which are to be removed from our syllabus for 2021 examination, board examinations, we know finally that where we have to invest our energy and where we can skip a topic. So now before we start with today's class and today's topic, I want to quickly give you an overview of all the topics which are deleted from our syllabus for 2021 examination. Now the interesting part is when we talk about English, some or the other thing is being eliminated from all the sections, be it writing, be it literature, or be it reading. Yes, you heard me right. Even from the reading section, note making and summarizing is removed. Now at the place of writing, note making and summarizing, we'll have another unseen passage which will be actually case study based. Now what is the difference between a normal unseen passage and a case study based unseen passage? There is not a huge difference, but case study based unseen passages are little more, ever so slightly more complicated, I must say, and as we'll practice them, you'll get to realize that there is some sort of complications when we are reading, when we are solving case study based unseen passages. But again, since it is going to be an MCQ based unseen passage, we need not to worry. With our attention and patience, we can actually very easily score complete marks even from case study based unseen passages. So I believe now the reading section is covered. It won't be difficult for us to fetch complete marks from that section. We need not to lose any marks. There is no scope, I must say, there is no scope of losing even a single mark in reading section. Now moving ahead, in literature we have 2 books, and in Flamingo 4 topics are being removed, 1 from poetry and 3 from chapters. Poets and Pancakes is removed, The Interview and Going Places is removed. And from poetry only 1 poem is removed, Our Roadside Stand. Now I would say all 4 topics are kind of long and slightly boring for students, so yeah, it's a win-win situation. For Vistas, The Tiger King is removed, Journey to the End of the Earth is removed, and Memories of Childhood is removed. Again, all 3 are lengthy and boring. Now comes the writing part, and this is the most interesting part because students in their excitement have failed to observe that even after removing these topics from writing section, there is a lot they have to study. So now we need not to prepare poster making, we need not to study business or official letters. What do we mean by business or official letters? We need not to study, there won't be a letter writing for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking or giving orders, sending replies. Okay? But we'll still have letter to the editor and job application. Okay? So do not skip that. मैंने देखा कि बच्चे काफ़ी कंफ्यूजन में हैं, बच्चों को ये लग रहा है कि भैया जॉब एप्लीकेशन भी नहीं आएगी. जॉब एप्लीकेशन इज स्टिल ऑन योर प्लेट, राइट? Then we don't have to prepare speech and debate. Now these, again, speech and debate are 2 big topics and students are kind of intimidated by them. So now what is actually left? Apart from all the chapters we have to cover, in writing section we are left with invitation, notice, report writing, article, right? Reply to an invitation, okay? Letter to the editor, job application. So we still have a lot to practice in writing section. So you need not to rest. Now I would suggest that please keep some patience and practice a lot. And you can cover so much and you can score so much. Now with such a huge elimination, or so many topics are eliminated, it is going to be so easy for every one of you that with some dedication, some practice, some patience, you all can score somewhere around above 75 to 90 easily. Mind my words, easily. So I think अब आप लोगों को पता है हमें क्या पढ़ना है और क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. आप लोगों ने कहीं नोट भी कर लिया होगा. So let's start with today's